For some of the tech stocks in particular, a bounce for energy prices, that lifting the energy stocks. I'll talk to you in a few moments about the banks as well. We've had some bank earnings today. But first, let's get some context on what we're seeing right now. Alan Valdes joins me now, sir. Great to see you.
Julie.
Happy Friday.
Thank you.
Talk to me about what we're seeing here, because you were predicting some kind of bounce in this Friday session.
Well, you know, we saw the VIX in the last few days really take a pop up.
Right.
And that usually indicates basically a bottom right there. Technical bottom. And I think that's what you're seeing, more technical trading, because remember, October is the end of the year for a lot of funds.
Yes.
So you see them get out of their good stock. That's why you saw the techs. People say, what's wrong with the techs? What's wrong? They were so good. They were up 17% coming into the week. So the funds are selling.
So just to be clear, the VIX, the volatility index, what we call the fear gauge here, showing you the level of volatility in these markets right now. So that was key. But what you said about the tech stocks also very important. A lot of people made a lot of money this year on tech, and we're taking some profits here.
Sure, they were up 17% coming into the week, and then now they're down 5% from the high. So yeah, they made a lot of money on that.
It's now an opportunity to get back involved. Like, what are we seeing here? We're seeing other people sort of buying into the tech stocks again and perhaps taking a risk on the fourth quarter.
Correct. So the ETFs yesterday you saw sell at 230 on, and you saw them really dump a lot of tech stocks. But now this morning you saw them getting back in. Apple was up, Netflix was up, so they're getting right back in. They're taking advantage. Smart move, buy them when they're low, sell them when they're high.
Yeah, you try and do that. 2:30 p.m. you mentioned there, because what we have seen is a lot of pressure towards the back end, the last hour to hour and a half of trading. So that means that the close today, once again, going to be very critical in the last couple of hours of trading.
Sure will, because you know that the last couple of hours is when they judge their books, the fund, so they know what they're up, what they're down, so they start to sell. So that's what you see all the time from 2:30 on, and it'll happen today.
Yeah, watch the active traders, but also watch the passive ones here too that just get whipped around by the market. Alan, great to chat to you.
Thanks for having me. Have a good weekend.
You too. Feel like people